We have seen different selection tools in previous sections, and we have selected the desired image area via different ways. Gradually, we are improving the accuracy of selecting the desired area in the image. In this section, we will learn the pen tool. Pen tool is used when you want to select the areas very accurately. But before learning the pen tool, we need to understand the concept of path, anchor points, and direction handles. Look at this path we have created. The path is being held by the anchor points, and each anchor point has three major parts. We consider it as past tense, present tense, and future tense. Each selected anchor point has a backward direction handle and forward direction handle. The backward direction handle decides the path to come from, which direction to reach the anchor point. So we consider this handle as a past tense for the selected anchor point. The forward direction handle decides the path to go in which direction from the anchor point. So we consider this handle as a future tense for the selected anchor point. The selected anchor point is our present tense as the path is passing through it. In other words, the anchor point holds the path. Now we talk about the length of the direction handles. Let's consider these 3 points as point A, point B, and point C. Now between point A and point B we have 2 direction handles. A forward handle for point A and a backward handle for point B. Both of the handles influence the path shape. Whichever handle is longer, the path gets influenced more towards that handle than the other. The path curvature is based on these 2 direction handles only. If both of the direction handles are not present, that will create a straight path. To make a curve, we need at least one direction handle from any of 2 points. So ultimately the handles decide the path direction and shape, whereas the anchor points hold the path.